I think they're used to people. What do you think? Oh, look at him. He's all small and kind of backwards. His tail's all cut off.
Good God, look at them all.
It stopped raining. I think they're digging for little creepy crawlies that come close to the surface. They're so cool. I like them, even if they're not monkeys. They got a tail like a monkey. He's my favorite one, the one that doesn't have a tail.
Way up in there, just look in front of me. I did see a tree move when I was walking up. It was like shaking way up on me.
It's probably all these guys.
I don't know if they go that high, do they?
They were up in the trees.
That's the problem with the monkeys out here. The canopy is so good that they hide well. Hi!
Don't do it.